Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure PacerPro document access step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the PacerPro website. Log into your PacerPro account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the dashboard area. Find the document access section on the left-hand menu. Click on Document Access to open the configuration settings. You will see options to manage access levels for your documents. Begin by selecting the type of documents you want to configure. Choose whether you want to set access for individual documents or groups of documents. If configuring individual documents, search for the specific document using the search bar. After locating the document, click on it to open the access settings. In the access settings, you can assign permissions to users or groups. Select the users or groups that need access from the list provided. Adjust the permissions by selecting the appropriate access level for each user or group. Confirm the changes by clicking the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. If you are managing access for multiple documents, repeat the process as necessary. After configuring the access settings, review all changes to ensure accuracy. Finally, log out of your PacerPro account securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.